Greeting from Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel, and today we are going to do our Spoken English practice number 39. We have completed our Spoken English 38 practices. It is a long journey that you have completed from practice number Spoken English practice number 1 till Spoken English practice number 38, and now today we are going to do our Spoken English practice number 39, and we will talk about two different topics. Question about two topics. Number 1, can you talk about 4 things, and second, can you tell me about, and very interesting questions are there. So you will do brainstorming and listen the question, give the answer. If you are new on this channel, please, I want to tell you what is the methodology. I will ask question, you will do brainstorming, and you will give the answer. Like, I will ask questions, you will listen the question, and you will give the answer. Always try to give answers in 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. With the passage of time, you will improve a lot. If you are watching first time this video, please watch all other video from Spoken English practice number 1 till Spoken English practice number 38. Now we are going to do our Spoken English practice number 39, and question number 1 is, can you talk about 4 TV shows you love to watch? Question number 2, can you talk about 4 places you would like to go on vacation? Can you talk about 4 places you have been on vacation, like you have already visited there? Question number 4, can you talk about 4 of your favorite websites? Question number 5, can you talk about 4 websites you visit daily? 6, can you talk about 4 meals you prepare for your family? 7, can you talk about 4 things you do not like to talk about? Question number 8, can you talk about 4 restaurants near your house? 9, can you tell about something you dislike? 10, can you tell about yourself? Very, very important question. Can you tell about your childhood? You know why I am asking? Actually, if I will ask question and wait for give you time to give the answer, it will become very long video. So I am asking question. You can listen all question first, then watch again this video. Question number 1, stop, give answer. 2, stop, give answer. 3, stop, give answer. 4, listen question number 4, stop, give answer. So it will better for your understanding. Can you tell about your favorite places? Can you tell about a time when you were happy? Can you tell about a time when you were sad? Can you tell about your education? Second last question, can you tell me about something you regret? And the last question, can you tell me about your favorite book? This was our Spoken English practice number 39. Please watch all exercise and give the answers, and I told you how you will give the answer. First listen complete question, then again listen question 1, give the answer. 2, 3, 4, like similarly give the answer. So thank you very much, and I will come with next exercise, Spoken English practice number 40, like Spoken English practice number 40. Thank you very much. Goodbye.